Now we are discussing about nuclear force. Nuclear force is very much stronger compared to the electromagnetic force and gravitation force. We have discussed gravitation force is much stronger than the, gravitation force is less stronger than the electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force is much stronger than the gravitation force. Now this nuclear force is much stronger than the electromagnetic force. Whenever you take atom, in that atom, the protons and neutrons are there in the nucleus. Without this nuclear force, those protons and neutrons will become unstable, and they have to expel, they will be expelled from the atom, and there is no atomic structure, and there is no mass, and there is no matter. Because of this nuclear force only, the protons, even though by nature they have a repulsive, because those two protons are having same positive charge, but this nuclear force, which is stronger than the electromagnetic force, it is binding the two same positively charged particles of called protons together. This nuclear force is stronger than the all fundamental forces, and it is about 100 times stronger than the electromagnetic force in strength. This nuclear force, it is a charge independent, means it does not matter what is the charge, whether it is 1 coulomb or 2 coulomb or 3 coulombs, or whether it is positive charge or negative charge. It acts equally between proton and proton, and neutron and neutron, and proton and neutron. Remember, there is no nuclear force between proton and electron and neutron and electron, because this nuclear force is acting only between the particles that are residing in the nucleus only. Outside the nucleus, we should not take the electrons, and we should not talk about the nuclear force between proton and electron. It should be we should understand the fundamentals that this nuclear force is restricted only between the proton and proton, proton and a neutron, and a neutron and neutron. And it is observed only in such a small dimensions, only in the nucleus, such a small space. Because of that only, the nucleus is stable. Because the nucleus is stable, because of that nucleus only, electrons are revolving continuously in the atom. But the electron does not experience this nuclear force, and the electron, whenever it gets energy, it moves from one orbit to another orbit. We can take out the electron when we give the sufficient energy, but it is very difficult to remove a proton from the nucleus because they are very much strong in nature. However, in the recent developments, when the scientists they have come to know even protons and neutrons are built out of some elementary particles called as quarks. Means for the proton also, the existence of the proton, the building material, the building block, like a brick is a building block for the building, quark is the building block for the proton, and this same quark is also building block for the neutron. This is about the strong nuclear force.